Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel for an unboxing video of the January Scarlet Line Planner Society kit. I started getting this kit again last year in December, and I did not do an unboxing video. Well, I did do an unboxing video for my December kit, but never got a chance to upload it. So I'm just getting back into it with the January kit. The thing with this kit is that Christy also did B6 size TN that you could order separately, and I did go ahead and get that. I am, however, not getting any of the add-ons to the kit, so I'm not getting the washi add-on, I'm not getting the sticker add-on, I'm not getting the full box add-on, none of that. Just the kit, and then this was a separate purchase. So let's start with the kit. And I've already gone through it, so I know what's in here, and I have Happy Mail from other stickers. But so starting out, this kit comes with this little pouch with this pretty flower clasp on it, and it is zippered on the inside, and then this is a PU leather. It's really nice. It's a pretty nice little pouch. In this pouch I have placed some items so they don't get damaged. So let's do that. You know what, let's start with the papers so then I can lay out the papers. So here's the bag that the kit came in. Very pretty, the roses. And then here are the papers. You can see I haven't had a chance to open them yet. I knew this was going to happen. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, I just fought with that for like 3 minutes, y'all. Not kidding. Okay, so here's paper number 1. The flowers. The back of this is the kind of the painted wood with the flower motif, and it's almost kind of got like swatches of dry paint on it. It's pretty. So there's that one. Start it over here. Let's move the box off the screen. There's that. Next is this one. This is probably my favorite paper in this kit. Very beautiful. There's lots of videos out there right now with not just unboxings, because I'm way behind in the game here, but also with how people are setting up their planners using these papers. And kit, that is a piece of vellum. It's got rose gold on it. Beautiful. Here's another piece of vellum with rose gold on it. Also beautiful. And here is a piece of acetate. Dots, dots, dots. Very nice. And then the last piece of paper, this kind of vintage flower, and the black and white. Very pretty. Awesome. Alright, so let's put this one here, and this one here. Pull some of this up in front so you can see it. Very nice. That is shining awful bad, so let's put it underneath so it doesn't reflect quite as badly. There it goes. Okay, so and then there's the pouch. Also in this kit, this is the envelope that the stickers in the kit came in. So it's pretty, that pink pattern. I'm having all sorts of fun unpacking this box. It looks like it was my catch-all for all of January. Here are the stickers that came in this kit. So we got some dresses, pretty deco, some Chase Lounge, flowers, some more clothes, makeup brushes. These are more functional stickers with like little itty bitty checklists on there, but oh, Tora, please don't. Sorry, you can hear my cat going in the background. And then the last page of deco. I really like that. That's really pretty. So there's the stickers. Here are die cuts and journaling cards. Ooh, beautiful. Set that there for a moment. Get this card up here. The back of cards. I save all these. I don't know. They come in handy every now and then, so I save them all. Let's see what we got here. As far as die cuts go, got some dresses, some makeup, some clothes. That is a cute dress. I like that dress. A hair clip, chair. Again, the checklist on the cozy. Some vanity stuff. Florals. These are really nice quality die cuts this month. You can see the reflection on them. They're glossy. A pocketbook. A chandelier. Like, what is that? Let's turn it over, Megan. Some more flowers. Another coffee cup with cozy. Another desk. Chase lounge. It says amour, which means it's French for love. And a jacket, which is super cute. And another flower. So there's your die cuts. Here's your journaling cards. Hello, beautiful. Shine bright. Throw kindness around like confetti. Very good card. I like that. She is fabulous, fierce, and loyal. And again, these are foiled. Some of them are foiled with rose gold. Kind of see there. And the planner girl. All right. One of the extras that I think they've done previously, but obviously not this style, is this embroidered patch, and it's sticky backed. I think they did this in November with the deer. I can't remember. Yeah, it's sticky backed. That's super cute. I have to find something special for that because that's super cute. Like that. This kit, again, which the last time we saw this kit was in September, I believe. And I used it when it came in September. I used it all. What these are stretchy elastic bands, and you can see they're in the patterns for this month. And then you get 3 of these clips, these paper clips, right? And what you do, here, let me grab a different example real quick, because I've got one from my December kit. Pull that out of there real quick. Okay, so what you do is you take the fabric and you cut a piece probably about, I mean, you can like test it with the pin you're going to use to make sure that it not only is snug, but it's not too snug because you don't want it pulling on here all the time too much. You cut that piece of the elastic probably about actually is, I don't know, I'd go no more than 2 inches for most pens. And then you take some E6000, which is a glue, and you put a little bit right there, and you put that down on there, and then you give it a moment to dry, and then you flip it over and put some more E6000 on there, and you put it down on there. So and this is the one I made from the November kit. You can see, or not November, from the September kit. That was one of the patterns, and then the rose gold. And then this is the pen that came in the December kit, and I've got it so it fits down in there. It's snug. That pen is not going anywhere. And then you take it and you take your planner and you find, wherever page you're going to clip it to. I think I clipped it to right here. And you just, oops, take the pen out of there first. Clip it in there. You can go all the way in because the loop is on the outside. And then you've got a pen loop that goes with your kit. Put that away. So that's what that is. And there's 3 clips, so you can make 3 of them. You can buy these clips. I'm trying to think if I've got any just on hand to show you. I do not, but you can buy these clips. I know I've seen the rose gold at Target, and I've seen them at Staples. So you can buy more of the clips because there's more than enough elastic here to do. There's probably enough elastic here to do 3 or 4 per elastic. So, so yeah, those are, I really, really like those. Next here is the tabs, the divider tabs. Card. This time the little bit different font on those, which is good. I like having the options. And then here's the divider tabs, and again, it's in all of the patterns, different scales. You know, so there's those two are the same pattern, but they're different size, different scale. And these are just their paper, and they fold in half, and you can put a little bit of glue or runner tape down in there, double-sided tape rather, and stick them on. So there's those, very pretty. Okay, so here's the pen. This pen. Okay, so when this kit arrived, you guys, we'd had a little bit of cold weather here in Colorado, and so of course I didn't get to it immediately. And so when I brought my pen in, I was trying to see like, oh, it's so glittery, it's so pretty. As you can see, it's got glitter down inside there. And then it's got oil or something in there. I assume it's oil because it's not moving terribly quick, but it's pretty. And then, you know, because that's rose gold in there, and it's got rose gold trim on it, and then it's got this beautiful flowers down on it. It's a really pretty pen. It is a ballpoint pen. But yeah, so it took like, I don't know, it took a couple of days for my pen to get fluid where you can see the ball, or the ball, but the bubble going back and forth in there, because it sat out on my porch, and of course it had sat on the mail truck for a considerable amount of time before it got to me. So I was like relieved that it didn't have more issues than that, just coming to temperature, and that works great. Here is the washi. Now this is the washi that came in the kit. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm no longer getting the add-ons to the kit. This washi came in the kit. There's some setup videos out there where people are using the washi from the washi add-on. And then of course, if you check Planner Society's page, whether it's on Instagram or Facebook, they have full reviews of everything. So, and you can see it's got rose gold pluses on it. So that's beautiful. Very pretty washi. Let's just do this. There we go. All right, next in here is another thing that they did. Okay, Christy did these also in September. I think was the first month that she did them. They're doilies, and they feature, there's 3 of them with the flowers on them. Very pretty. And then there's also 3 of them with the polka dots. Versatile. Pretty and versatile. I love it. We've got some sticky notes. When these kits show up on my doorstep, I open them all up immediately and go through them and pick out stuff I'm going to use immediately. But for the most part, and then I sit on them for a couple of days to try to figure out how I'm going to set stuff up and use it. And obviously, I've been very neglecting of that because I haven't yet set it up. I'm still using, this is my one from December, and I'm still using it like in the inserts, the collab inserts that Christy did. So, well, anyway, so there's sticky notes. I like sticky notes; they're very pretty. There's some bullet journal style stamps in here, and maybe not even bullet journal. These are probably, they're sized to fit the standard 1.5 inch box. So like an Erin Condren box. You got urgent email, goals, follow up, Instagram, start, schedule, and priority. And those are, again, they're clear acrylic stamps. Set those there. And then the final thing in the box is this puffy fabric bow. Planner charm. Oops, there it goes. So there's the bow. I like mine. It's very pretty. And its lobster clasp is rose gold. And it also has, it comes with this extender piece. So there's that. Just clip it on there real quick. So I do not lose it, because that would be something I would do for sure. And this print is, I'm pretty sure it's this print. Yeah, which is the prettiest print. I love this print. Like that one and this one. Yeah, it's one of my favorite prints. And then finally, So like I said, this was a separate piece. This was a separate order. So this is the, go pick up your kit alarm. It's about to go off, so it'll go off in just a few seconds here. Take a moment to stop it. This is the B6 size traveler's notebook that Christy did along with it. And it's the main print. And it shipped flat. So it's got the polka dots on the inside and a couple pockets. This is the same exact thing that we got actually in the kit, in the December kit. Same size. It's beautiful. I'm glad sorry about that. I'm glad I went ahead and got this. Mine does have, you can see kind of right here along the bottom, that's where the elastic was looped. So I'm gonna leave this out. Wow, it's got a couple of like kind of just soft indents on the face of it. I'm gonna leave this out for a little while, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna come up. It's already starting to come up, and let it sit out and kind of acclimate, I think. But so there's that. All right, so that's it. That's the this is the this is the January kit, and then the additional extra that I got on the side of the TN. So, and like I said, this is a B6 size TN, so it's the same size as this one. This is the TN that came in the December kit, and you can see it fits, you know, B6 size inserts perfectly, and it's good quality. Like this is the one I've been used. I used it for all of December and some of January. Not a whole lot of January because I got into my my permanent planners and my Hobonichi in January. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and so I know and I can do more of them. And please feel free to leave comments below. I really do appreciate any comments or questions you have. And otherwise, I'll see you next month. All right, you guys. Bye.